Lana here, and today I wanted to show you guys how I refresh my curly hair. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope that it's helpful. Just to let you know, I am posting a video every single day in January. I really hope that you guys are enjoying it so far. We've done a video every single day for a whole week, so I'm so proud of myself. I really hope that we can keep this going. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Also, don't forget to get me on Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat, where I'll be talking to you guys all the time. Also, leave me a comment down below, tell me your video suggestions. Yeah, I've rambled on long enough. Let's go ahead and get on with the video. For the days when my hair is looking like this, I just go ahead and take some water in a little spray bottle. So I just get my hair a little bit wet. It's not soaking wet. It's just a little bit wet, and I do that all over. So I pick my hair apart and I make sure that I spray all over, and then I take my Canon moisturizing curl activator cream, which is probably my favorite product of the whole of 2017, and I just run that through my hair. It really helps if I add some water as well. It just helps to add that moisture and truly moisturize my hair. And then I take a little comb like this and I just fix up some individual pieces of hair. I don't have to do this. This is just if I've got a little bit of extra time. But I do this step just to add like next level definition. So all that this entails is literally just combing my hair around my finger, and it gives me the best definition ever. So I comb it out straight and I just wrap it around my finger, and using the comb really helps. So you just want to wrap and wrap and wrap and wrap until it stays in place. Yeah, I'm really doing the most with that one. Look at that, that's so defined. So then I go ahead and do the other side as well. Like you can see the difference there. One side is frizzy, one side is not. So then I go ahead and I get this side wet again, and I'll just show you what I did again. So once it is a good level of damp, I go ahead and take my Canon curl activator cream and I just run that through my hair. And like I said, I can just leave it like that if I want to, because the curl activator will help to define the curls. But if I do just feel a little bit extra, I will do the comb thing as well. I don't know what to call it. The comb thing. So all you need to do is just get the tangles out, get it nice and smooth, and then just go ahead and wrap it around your finger. That's literally it. And then slide it off really gently, and that's it. Here's a little bit of a close-up in case you didn't get that before. So I'm literally just wrapping it around my finger. It's similar to what I did with my fringe. Well, it's kind of exactly the same as what I did with my fringe in my defining my bangs video. So then I need to fix my parting and make it look a little bit more neat. So I just go ahead and find another parting. I take my Shockwaves styling gel and I use that just to kind of lay my edges a little bit. So I just dab that there. And I don't usually do this style of edges, but I did it today. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Like just with a wash and go, I think that this kind of probably looks better with a bun or an updo. I'm not sure how I feel about it for my wash and go, but it's what I did today. So it's this 3-layered wave. So yeah, once I was done doing all that, I just let my hair dry for a little while, and this is what it looks like. This is what I do if I have got somewhere to go, somewhere to be, and I don't have time to wash my hair, and I just want my hair to look a lot more defined and just a lot better, really. So I can pretty much do this and then, I don't know, go and eat breakfast, or if I'm going to go and get on the train, I can just sit on the train, and by the time I get to wherever I'm going to go, my hair is dry, because it was only about, you know, it was only a little bit wet just from the spray bottle. It wasn't like soaking wet or anything like that. So I really like how my hair looks right now. We got a nice good bit of definition. I love it, I love it. I mean, look at this. Wow. I'm saying wow about my own hair. I'm just really happy with how that turned out. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this little baby curl right there. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. This is what my hair looks like once I'm done. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe and turn on your notifications. Comment down below. Get me on Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat. That was a lot of stuff to do, but I really hope that you guys manage it because I really want to see more of you. I want to see you in the next video. So come back tomorrow where there will be another video. So yeah, that is everything from me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.